Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads to Salesforce. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to sync your advertising data with your CRM, giving you better insights into how your ads are performing and which leads are converting into actual customers. To get started, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard where all your campaign data is displayed. Now, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu, locate and click on the Tools option. This is where you'll find all the advanced settings and integrations that Google Ads offers. When you click on Tools, the menu will expand to reveal several options. From this expanded menu, you need to find and click on Data Manager. The Data Manager is essentially your hub for connecting Google Ads with other platforms and managing how data flows between them. It's a powerful feature that lets you integrate various third-party tools to enhance your advertising capabilities. Once you're in the Data Manager, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the apps and third-party software you've previously added or can add to your Google Ads account. Take a moment to scroll down through this list until you locate Salesforce under the Featured Products section. Salesforce should be prominently displayed since it's one of the most popular CRM platforms that businesses integrate with Google Ads. When you find it, go ahead and click on it to begin the connection process. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You'll notice that there are 3 different ways to connect Salesforce with your Google Ads account. The first option is direct connection, which is the most straightforward method. The second is through Salesforce Audience Studio, which is more advanced and typically used for complex audience targeting. The third option is third-party integration via Zapier, which gives you more flexibility if you need custom workflows. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and use the direct connection method. Click on the radio button next to direct connection to select it. After selecting Direct Connection, you'll see an Authorize button. Click on this button to proceed. A small login window will pop up on your screen. This is where Salesforce needs to verify your identity. Type in your Salesforce username and password in the appropriate fields. Make sure you're entering the correct credentials for the Salesforce account you want to connect. Once you've entered your login information, you'll be prompted to authorize and accept the connection request. This step is crucial because it grants Google Ads permission to access your Salesforce data and sync information between the 2 platforms. Simply click Authorize or Accept to finalize the connection. And that's it, you've successfully connected your Google Ads account to Salesforce, which means your advertising data will now flow seamlessly into your CRM system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.